Evelyn, can you wave hi? Don't stand up there. Here, go stand up at the front. Let me get you up at the front. You go all the way up. Want to go stand over here? Stand right here.
Okay.
No, okay, now sit. Hey, buddy boy. You gonna sit, Calvin? Calvin, can you say boat? Row, row, row your boat. Good, you can see the size with the kids in it. Evelyn. Ladder and the life jackets and the bumpers. This is the thing to keep the rain off the cover. And a fire extinguisher.
That was very nice of you.
And a trolling motor and a fish finder.